This is James Whitten, GlobalSign's Regional Partner Manager here in EMEA. Today's video is going to show you how to create and upload pricing tables into your EPS account. With these price tables uploaded, you're one step closer to be able to set up sub-tier accounts for your customers. The first thing I'm going to do is show you where to locate this pricing table setup within the EPS account. As with most operations in an EPS account, you'll need to be on the SSL Certificates tab and click on the My Reseller. When you scroll down, on the left hand side you'll see the menus. Under the My Resellers account, click on the Products/Price Management. When you open this up, or the first time you open it up, you will see this top line here with Edit Product Group's Name and Currency, but below this will be blank. These previous demonstrations have occurred on this account. Click on New Registration and give your product a group name. So for example, we'll call this one Retail Pricing. Select the currency that you want to use. In this case I'm going to use euros for the purpose of the demo, and also because I'm going to be using the euros pricing tables when I show you the next part of the demonstration. Click Registration and click Complete Application. Return to the Products Group View page and you'll see the retail pricing has been created here. Now you need to click on Edit and you will see here the Product Group Editing page. This is now divided into several tabs for SSL certificates, for personal sign certificates. This personal sign certificates section also includes your EPKI packs. If you scroll to the bottom you'll see these. Code signing and document signing. Currently all of these are void and at 0. So we now need to associate prices to this table. Remember, this table is going to be passed down to your customer accounts, so the price you put in here is the price you want your customer to be able to pay. You can choose now to do one of two things. If your customer, for example, is only going to have a very limited number of products, or is specifically signing up, for example, for document signing and only requires 1 year AATL Adobe PDF signing certificates, the best way to do this is to do a manual change. You scroll to the bottom and hit Detail Edit. Tick Valid on the product you want and enter the price that you want that customer to see. So we'll say 300 euros. We'll hit Confirm, and now we'll see that AATL signing for Adobe PDF 1 year is valid and is 300 euros. This, however, isn't best practice. The best way to do this is to use the system that your account manager will set up for you. You will receive from your account manager a CSV Calculator. On this calculator you'll see various tabs to cover SSL, AATL, code signing and EPKI, as well as equivalent correspondent CSV files which pull the information from the Excel file in the first 4 tabs. If you get stuck at any point, a calculator manual exists, and if you want to quote your customers before setting up, a quote table will pull the information from the information that you input into this file. If you want to quote your customer in advance, the quote tables will pull the information from the tabs that you adjust. Let's take AATL as an example, principally because there's only 4 sections we need to address here. So in each of these tabs you will find a buy price, what our GlobalSign retail price is, the customer discount percentage, and whether you want to activate or not activate that product for your customer. When you receive this file from your account manager, your buy price will also be in here. This, however, being a demo account, will not show any prices. The reason we put prices in here for you as an individual customer means that you'll be able to see your margin that's available to you depending on what discount you offer your customer. The discount column works against the GlobalSign retail price. So for example, we would say a customer is going to get a discount of 20% against GlobalSign retail price for all of their products. We'll put 20% in here, and as you see, this has now changed, as has this column. Now, If we move over to the AATL CSV file, we'll see that actually nothing has yet changed. Now the reason for this not having changed is you must ensure that you change from non-active to active. So change this to yes, and you can drag and drop this down to the bottom. Please note that the GlobalSign retail price and all the non-adjustable columns are locked. We'll continue our goodwill with this customer and offer them 20% off their AATL signing packs, and also we'll offer them for their HSM option as well a 20% discount. Let me just show you, prior to activating this second line of products, that now a true has come on the CSV and a price has also appeared against those products. I'll return here and I'll activate all of these products. We'll do the same on the final lines. And then we'll check against the CSV file. Now we can see all of the products have moved from false to true and prices have been applied. The next phase is to upload this calculator into your EPS account. You can't unfortunately just upload the whole of the CSV files and calculator together. It has to be per product line. Our system can't read multiple CSVs and input them into the correct place. You'll have done this also for SSL, you'll have done this for code signing, and you'll have done this for EPKI, depending on your customer's requirements. We would recommend perhaps having a generic retail price for your customers, which you could allocate to as many of the accounts that are created as possible. This will keep it simpler for you to manage. So what we need to do now is extract this particular CSV file so that it's uploadable onto our system. What we're going to do, and this is very important that you don't remove or make any errors in this process. You're going to right click on the CSV AATL tab and you're going to hit move or copy. Now it's important to move this to a new book, and it's most important to create a copy. If you don't create a copy, it will effectively do nothing. Hit OK and you'll see now that I have just the CSV AATL. But look behind this, this is where it's lifted from. Now I'm going to need to save this somewhere on my desktop, so I'm going to save this directly on my desktop for the purpose of the demo. Of course you might have a particular reason or a particular area where you might want to keep these. I'm going to call this Demo Retail Pricing and I'm going to save it on my desktop. What I also must do is change it to CSV, delimited. There are other CSV formats, Macintosh, MS-DOS. Please ignore those. It must be CSV, delimited. Hit save and you will be asked the question, would you like to keep using that format? Yes, you would. And now you can close this. The second time around you'll be asked the same question. Hit don't save. So now we've created a pricing table that's ready to be uploaded. We'll return to the EPS account. Now we're going to adjust the AATL section because that's the one we've made a change on. So let's go back and let's choose a file to upload. I'm going to just remove the change I made manually earlier and I'm going to choose a file. I'll move to the desktop where I saved this and I'll hit Demo Retail Pricing. I'll click Open and I'll hit Confirm. Now you'll see that there are some format errors. Now this is due to transference no longer being an option available to you or to customers within AATL. However, all the prices against the products that you have selected have been transferred successfully across to this account. Now that this is complete, we'll hit the bottom, Confirm, and we'll see a preview of our pricing table. Here you'll see the prices that you've assigned your customer, and we'll complete application. When you return to the products group editing page, you will see that nothing has changed in SSL because we haven't changed that yet. Nothing's changed in code signing, but if you move to document sign, those prices have been assigned. You now need to repeat this process for all 4 types of product, and once you've done so, you've completed 1/3 of what you need to do in order to set up a customer sub-account. Please see our other videos on how to create email templates and how to brand your portal in order to complete the entire process. Thank you very much for your time, and we look forward to inviting you to the next video.